I'm here. We'll carry on and on with these spiritual things until we get everything right. It is my prayers. I'm praying now. I'm demanding from our Father God that He gets everything right for everybody this time around. It is a payback. We suffer things like COVID and all that stuff. But now it's a payback. Things must go a little bit better until maybe there is another pandemic in another generation for the reason we do not know, because we don't know the reason why this one was here. And I'm not only hoping my prayers are heard, I know they are heard. And I'm not going to sit down and rely on the prayers like most Christians have done. I have prayed that everything will be all right, and you just sit and wait God to do miracles and wonders. That we'll never see, not on this planet. You pray and you help your prayers so that the cause take place. I assure you. People come here, we want to paranyiswa, we want to twala and all those things. You still have a part to play in your life so that paranyiswa take cause. So that paranyiswa takes action while you are taking action. You're not going to like come here and say, and they take my money and give you. Money is not given. Money is not just earned. Money is worked for. If you know what I'm saying. Money is not just earned. Nothing that has got value is just earned. It is worked for. You need to invest time, energy, money, plans, if you have got good plans that can actually change your life and take you somewhere. But plans alone are not enough. They need your action. Do something. That's how our rituals work. I thank you.